Friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be comparing the Asus Vivobook Flip 14 2018 model to the HP Pavilion X360 2018 model. So before buying the HP, I had almost finalized to buy this Asus Vivobook Flip 14, but on the last moment HP launched the latest generation of this Pavilion X360 series, so I completely changed my mind and bought the HP. I'll briefly go through this TP410UA model that is available in India. So it is a similar design to the HP X360, that is a convertible design. I'll just briefly go through the specifications of this Vivobook Flip 14 first, and then the HP Pavilion, and why exactly I finalized the HP. So you can see now, first coming to the design. So design is almost similar. Here you will find that it is a 19.2mm thick model, which is basically almost similar to the HP. This has a nano edge display. Now I want to specify that the previous generation, the models of HP, those starts with the alphabets BA or A or AC or AD. All those are the old generation. The latest generation you need to focus is on CC or CD series. So you will see that Asus comes with a Sonic Master technology audio, whereas HP comes with a Bang & Olufsen. Now you can see that they have listed a 930MX graphics card, Core i7, 16GB, 250. These are all optional. 410UR that is available in USA, but in India the model available is 410UA, and that doesn't come with all these. Basically rest all is similar. Durable hinge, that is 20,000, and HP specifies as 25,000. I don't think it varies much, but you will see here a fingerprint sensor, which is exactly on the right side corner of the touchpad, which I feel is a better location than the HP, which is located on the sides, as well as the power button is on it. Now coming to the ports, I'll tell you, both have a SD card slot. Now you can see that Asus has a USB-C, but the shortcoming of Asus is the two USB type A ports. Now one is USB 2 and one is USB 3, whereas the second USB port on the left side is again USB 2. I do not know why they have done that, but HP usually is giving both the slots as USB 3.0 and one slot is USB 2.0. So both are since both are backward compatible, so it is a better option to go for USB 3.0. Now coming to this PDF file which I downloaded from the Asus side, you will see that this is the only two models in the Vivobook Flip series that is available in India. One is Core i3 model and one is Core i5 8250 model. There is no option of a discrete graphics card, but there is a 256GB SSD built in, which is a huge thing. But if I compare to the HP X360 series, the model I bought, that is CD0053TX, the advantage is it comes with the Intel OPTANE. So Intel OPTANE is almost similar to SSD, though I replaced the Intel OPTANE for a latest gen SSD. Here you can see now the HP model. Now the previous generation had a power button at the top of the left side, which was a ridiculous position. Now they have changed it to the left middle, so that is fine. Now again, fingerprint sensor that was not available in the previous generation, now it is available. Bang & Olufsen speakers are always available for HP laptops, and they sound really good. Now coming to this things that focus me on buying the HP laptop. Number one will be software. You get a free Microsoft Office 2016 software absolutely free for lifetime, which costs around 5,000. So that is a 5,000 benefit you are getting, whereas Asus Vivobook Flip 14 will give you a 256GB SSD. And now if you want to replace it with the OPTANE memory with a SSD, you will be losing around 5,000. But the latest generation X360 again has nano bezels, which is 5.35mm, whereas the Asus Vivobook Flip 14 is slightly wider with 8mm bezels. So I think advantage now again comes to HP. Now again, if you go into details of the display quality, the latest HP which I found is extremely good. The previous generation was not as good. It showed a little bit washed out colors, but this generation is really good. And if you read in detail about the Asus Vivobook Flip 14 in previous website reviews, you will see that they use a PWM frequency for reducing brightness, which gives headaches to some people, whereas the HP doesn't utilize that, and it is quite good display. And if you come to the HP India side, this is the HP India side, you will see a lot of various options and configurations available according to your needs. And I want to specify another point that goes against Asus is HP has a very good market presence in India. If you search about the list of best computer manufacturers around the world, you will find that number 1 will come as Apple or Dell, second or third will be Dell or Asus, and HP comes somewhere around 3rd or 4th. But in India, if you focus, we have a huge network of HP, whereas Asus has outsourced almost all its service center to some third party, and the service network is not at all good. So HP wins a big point here in the service availability. And one more thing, HP provides you a service manual for all its models. So before buying the model, you can just download the service manual, check for its upgradability. Asus doesn't specify exactly what is upgradable in their laptops, whereas HP briefs you through the whole procedure, how to open your laptop, how to go about it, how to change your SSD, how to upgrade, what all things are user upgradable and what all things are not user upgradable. Everything is lined out in the service manual. So that is almost a good transparency point that I'll give it to HP. So overall, if you go for this laptop CD0053TX, you are getting a Microsoft Office as well as a graphics card built in. I mean a discrete graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce MX130. So that again is not upgradable. That again is not something that you can upgrade in future in the Asus. So these 2 points are the basic points which completely swayed me from Asus to the HP Pavilion. So rest you can analyze the scores and go according to your choice, but I feel right now HP has done a very good job with this series of laptop, Pavilion X360 series laptop. They're almost as close as possible to the Spectre series. I feel this is a very good laptop right now. Thin, lightweight, battery backup is quite average, around 4 to 6 hours. That is good enough, I feel. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.